In this video, we'll cover how to assemble your Rezku mobile POS case for use with the AMS1 or NYC1 card reader. The mobile case is compatible with iPad mini Gen 6, released September 2021. This is the current iPad mini as of the making of this video. iPad mini versions released in the future may or may not be compatible. Older iPad and iPad mini models will not fit the case. Warning: never hold your mobile POS by the card reader. Always use the handle. Additional notes: just because the card reader is attached to the case does not automatically pair it to this iPad. If you have multiple card readers, they're not interchangeable, and we recommend placing a label on both the case and the card reader to avoid mix-ups and frustration. Please contact Rezku support for assistance connecting and testing your card readers. Parts you'll need to complete assembly are the mobile case, the included handle with a strap, the iPad mini, the Sled for your model of card reader. Main case assembly. Notice that on the iPad, the charging port is on the side, opposite of the camera. Carefully slide the iPad into the case with the charging port towards the Rezku logo. Then slide the small half of the case onto the other end of the iPad, and it should snap into place. If you wish to remove the iPad from the case, depress the rib tab with your thumbs and slide the small half of the case off the iPad. Card reader sled assembly. Next, we'll assemble the sled with the correct adapter for your card reader. To remove the cover plate, orient the sled with the larger end toward you. Press the plate, applying firm pressure to slide it off. Removing the blank plate reveals some gold connectors on the back of the sled. Orient the adapter so that it makes contact with connectors on the sled. Slide the card reader adapter into place. Now that the sled assembly is complete, slide the sled into the case as shown and make sure it is fully seated. If you wish to detach the sled, you'll need to fully disassemble the case, remove the iPad, and release a locking tab on the inside. Installing your card reader for the AMS1. Insert the card reader at an angle, as shown. It should snap securely into place. To remove the card reader, hold to release the catch. When the card reader is correctly installed, it will not fall out. For the NYC1, insert the card reader into the adapter as shown. It is held with a strong magnet. To remove the card reader, simply pull up as shown. Thank you for watching.